Hello and welcome to new topic types of noun. We have four types of noun: common noun, proper noun, material noun, abstract noun. We move on to the next. But in this lesson we will discuss only two types of noun: common noun and proper noun. So let's first discuss about common noun. Definition of common noun. A common noun is a word used to name general items rather than specific ones. This is the definition of common noun. Common noun, we refer it to name general items, not particular ones. Examples of common noun: go into your living room. What do you see? A lamp, chair, bed, TV, window, painting, pillow, candle. All of these items are named using common nouns. We move on to the next. Some more information about common nouns. Common nouns are everywhere and we use them all the time, even if we don't realize it. Wherever we go, we find at least one common noun. How? Let's move on to the next. Common nouns: street, closet, bathroom, school, mall, gas station, living room. All of these places are things and thus they are common nouns. Example: doctor, engineer, car, TV, etc. Next we have definition of proper noun. A proper noun is the name given to something to make it more specific. It refers to a specific person, place, or thing, such as Ali, Tripoli, and Samsung. So proper noun is all about referring to specific names. Some more information about proper noun. Proper nouns are written with capital letters regardless of where they appear in a sentence. Example: Fatima, Zalitin, Gulf of Sidra University, etc. You move on to the next. Difference between common noun and proper noun. When we look at the two main types of noun, proper and common noun, we can differentiate between the two by saying that a common noun is a general way of classifying something and a proper noun is a specific way of classifying something. Move on to the next. Difference between common noun and proper noun. Newspaper, common noun. But the name of newspaper, the Washington Post, the Guardian, the Times, proper noun. So what we mean to say is that common noun refers to name in general, refers to things in general, but proper noun always for the specific names. Newspaper is a name in general. We don't know which newspaper, but when we talk about the particular newspaper, the name of the newspaper, it becomes proper noun. Like girl. Girl is a common noun. We don't know which girl we are talking about. But when we talk about a particular girl like Fatima, Mary, Aisha, then they become proper noun. Likewise boy. Boy is common noun. We don't know which boy we are talking about. But when we talk about particular boy, then it becomes proper noun like Ali, Ahmad, Muhammad, and so on. Likewise mobile. Mobile is common noun. We don't know which mobile we are talking about. This here we don't have a specific mobile. But when we talk about particular type of mobile like Apple, Samsung, Nokia, then it becomes proper noun. So the difference between common and proper noun is that common noun are those nouns which we refer to things in general. We don't talk about them in a particular manner. But proper noun and proper nouns are those nouns in which we talk about objects or names in particular in a specific way, and we talk about their names. So this is all about this topic. Thank you.